It's been, since we started, I guess it's been about a month for them to put us on put us on their list. And so they're here today. They've been here since 9 o'clock, it's noon. So it's only 3 hours and it sounds like they're almost done. Approximately 3 months ago, we had a sewer backup and there were several tree roots intruding into the pipe at the joints. Plus it appeared that there were some cracks. We wanted to get that fixed so that we could use our toilets again. I got an estimate to have it done the usual way, to dig up the yard, take out all the pipe. We were concerned, the house is like 120 years old, that would have had to dig underneath the footer for the front porch, and we were afraid that it would destroy the structural integrity of that porch. They sent us the estimate, and when I saw the estimate, it was only a third to a half of what everybody else wanted. I figured, let's do it, because it's just, there's positives all the way around. You know, we didn't have to tear up the house, didn't have to tear up the yard, and it's being done in about 3 hours. They have been conscious of their noise and intrusion into our home and whatnot, and so, you know, they've been really good.